So hello everyone, for this video we're going to unbox, review and test the Gamesir X2 Type-C mobile gaming controller. Now let's go ahead and unbox the controller. As you can see, it comes in this really nice travel case, and here is the gaming controller itself. In this little box you will find the usual stuff like the user manual, warranty, etc. 2 extra pairs of thumbstick grips are also provided, which is a nice little touch by Gamesir. Now, the first thing you notice when you get your hands on the controller is how well made and how solid it feels. The controller also stretches quite a bit, so almost any phone can fit. On the left side we have the screenshot button and the D-pad. The thumbstick feels nice and tight, and it's also clickable. And on the right side we have the B, Y, X and A buttons, as well as the right thumbstick. As expected, we also have the R1, R2 and L1 and L2 trigger buttons. The back side has soft rubber grips that provide real nice feel to the controller. Another really cool feature is the adjustable Type-C port, so you don't have to worry about damaging your phone's USB port. On the bottom side of the controller you will find a Type-C charging port, which means that you can charge your phone while still using the controller. And now guys, let's connect our phone to the controller and test some games on it. Although the phone fits really snug, there is a gap between the phone and the controller to ensure adequate airflow and cooling of your mobile device. There are also a couple of important things to mention. First, you don't need to install any drivers or any additional software to use the Gamesir X2 controller. It's practically plug and play. Second, the controller is powered by your phone, but you shouldn't worry because the power consumption is extremely low and it won't impact your battery life. And last but not least, the controller supports a variety of cloud gaming platforms such as Microsoft's xCloud, Google's Stadia, Vortex and many more.